आकांक्षा किस मुंह से चिल्ला रही है कि अगर उसकी इज्जत जा रही है तो इस फोटो में मैं भी हूं? हाँ बहन, आपने गलत करा है. You should know about heartbreak and cheating since you were crying a river on the show and outside as well while you were meeting him or met him, whatever. Do you not see what's so wrong about it? He is with Ruru. Do you think Ruru would like the fact कि तुम दोनों मिल रहे हो और वो तुम्हारे कंधे पे सर रख के सोया हुआ है? Do you think Ruru would like the fact? No. And you know this. Otherwise Ruru को पता होता. तुमने Ruru से ये बात छुपाई, तुमने योगेश की हेल्प करी, तुम दोनों ने ये बात छुपाई क्योंकि तुम दोनों के मन में चोर है, क्योंकि तुम दोनों को पता है कि तुम दोनों गलत हो. फिर किस मुंह से चिल्ला रही है? चोरी, ऊपर से सीना चोरी. वाओ. और अब फिर नाउ हियर कम्स द वाटर वर्क्स. अभी 2 बार और उंगली करो फिर गंगा यमुना बहेंगे. सी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, बहेंगे, बहुत जल्दी बहेंगे. आकांक्षा इज सेइंग लेकिन तब उन लोगों का पैचअप नहीं हुआ था जब मैंने उसके कंधे पे सर रखा हुआ था. बहन, उनका ब्रेकअप भी तो नहीं हुआ था. चल ठीक है, दे वर गोइंग थ्रू अ डिफरेंस. कपल्स फाइट, couples go through phases. Do you think it's okay for a third person to enter? It's definitely not okay for the person from the couple who went out in the first place. Yogesh तो is the most wrong. वो established है. That's not even debatable. Because तुम्हारी लड़ाई हो रही है तुम्हारी गर्लफ्रेंड से, instead of sorting it or breaking it up completely, you decide to do the most disrespectful thing and go out with another girl, that girl that you have a history with, and you guys are having an intimate moment together. And please don't tell me कि we're friends. Friends don't do that shit. Especially friends with history. And she is saying कि उनका उसमें पैचअप नहीं हुआ था, but girl doesn't fucking matter कि पैचअप हुआ था कि नहीं हुआ था. Isn't it disrespectful? Isn't it wrong? Did you not know that you are wrong? तभी तो तुम छुपा रहे थे. क्योंकि इंटरनेट पे even on shows, as far as we know, तुमने पहली बार किसी से दिल लगाया, उसने तुम्हारा दिल तोड़ दिया, you would never see his face again, XYZ, इतना बुरा है वो कि तुम तो रूरू को शो से निकालना चाहते थे because Yogesh hated you so much, he just broke your heart, you were so attached, you cried a river, understandable. And then all of a sudden, while you are abusing the same guy on the internet, fuck abusing, you are crying for yourself on the internet because you're so sad and so bad has happened to you, and the guy who did the bad to you, you're chilling with him behind his girlfriend's back. Do you not see anything wrong with it? Justify yourself all you want, but be honest. Do you guys not see anything wrong with it? Put yourself in Ruru's shoes, for fuck's sake.